Hey, Will here. I just want to shoot a quick video to show you kind of behind the scenes of the brand new platform version 2.0. So if you're on this page, it's like the front end kind of sales page part, but behind the scenes, this is what it actually looks like. So when you get in here, it's the community, which we're all pretty much used to, where you can go in and you can see, what people post and what they say. You can post a new thread. You can do whatever you want. We do have a little feature here where we can actually ask AI to reply, which is a little bit different than any other community out there. But it's a nice place to kind of hang out, get some advice, get some help, and do your thing. Then we go to the dashboard, which is where all of the tools are available. Like today's journal question, we put that in there. So which product or niche are you most excited about right now? Why does that excite you? And then you would click it, and it'll go right through to your journal, which pre-fills the title, and then you just say why and save your entry. Then we got a couple of others in there. Go back to the dashboard here. And you'll see that's in there every day. You get a new question. You don't have to answer it, but it's there to get you to start journaling, because that's key for the system to pick up on your activity and see what you're actually doing. And then we can, see if you're falling behind or if you're doing well, and motivate you and give you more tasks and that kind of thing. Community question is in here. That just goes right back to the community. Did you see this little bit of news? And then there's this section, My Plan, which will actually ask you some intake questions, and then we will formulate a plan for you. And you'll have basically 3 tasks per week over a 12-week period. And you just go through every week and you complete the tasks and you mark them as done. And then that too aligns with the season and the trainings and the live training schedule perfectly. So for example, if we're at Valentine's Day, well, the tasks that are going to be generated are going to line up with you selling like gifts for Valentine's Day, for example. So that's really good. My journal, that's just a place to log daily actions, wins, lessons, anything. So we can watch your progress over time and kind of coach you better. So my plan is private to you. My journal is private to you. No other members can see that. And then there's the private help desk for you. So what this is a place where you can go and you can ask questions to me and my AI clone, kind of. So what'll happen is, you go in, you type a question, ask any question you want, and that's where you can give details too, like your store or your product or whatever you want. Other members cannot see that. So the difference between like a private help desk and the community is the community is public. The help desk is private. So that's kind of like one-on-one for you. Between me and my AI clone, you get a ton of support one-on-one. I think that's one of the things that is missing from most coaching programs. Anyway, community, we saw that. Live training sessions are here. So you click that and it will bring up the next one and then the 3 sessions that are coming. You just click there to register for all of them. So the next one up is going to be starting December 4th at the time of shooting this, which is going to be Memorial Gifts Challenge. So we're going to be looking at like memorial jewelry, sympathy gifts, remembrance items, evergreen memorial themes for post-holiday traffic, because by this point, we're just cooking along right now at this time of shooting in Q4 in the thick of it. We're actually at Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend. So we want to make sure we've got stuff going next, and then you just come in here and register and you can see it. And then also, once you do that, these little cards will update with the actual replay, so you can click and watch it, or you can just go here to replays, and you'll see the all the replays in order here. So for example, if I wanted to see this one, Facebook ads for testing and scaling, it's all loaded up here, and learn exactly how to test every product on your store with Facebook ads. And then the next one as well, you just click next button, then you'll get session number 3, and that one is for scaling. And then you can go back and you can go back, and then so it just lines up all 3 replays for all the different live sessions very easily for you to find them. And then there's an old one there too, older one from October. So that's October, November, and then December will fill in, and then January, February, all the way through. So this page will just continually fill with replay after replay after replay. But I gotta love admin stuff in there too. So basically what you're getting, usually what you get is like a community where you can ask questions and you can, get some help and do all that good stuff. But in here, you do get that, and you can ask AI Will as well to reply. So it just works. It's a different spin on the old system. Oh, I almost forgot here. I skipped the tools. So these are the tools that you get with with your membership. So you get FreeTrafficBlogger.com. You can go there and look at it. Shopimetrics.com, and then Etsy Insights, the Chrome extension. This is kind of like a spy tool for Etsy, and then Amazon Insights Chrome extension. So these two tools are spy tools that allow you to spy on Etsy and Amazon and give you things like, you know, sales estimates, profit estimates, all that good stuff. And you can actually adjust the numbers with those. And it's literally a Chrome extension that you load up and then load up the page. In that case, Etsy. In this case, Amazon, and it'll give you all the details it can. Shopimetrics is for Facebook, Printify, and Shopify. Brain fart. Shopify, Facebook ads, and Printify. So it pulls everything together all in one place, and you can click it and you can see, like, there's a full video on it, what it does. So it gives you visibility and what's actually selling, what's not, where to focus, and it's basically a dashboard that gives you everything in one place. And then FreeTrafficBlogger is a way. Now this, I just added in another version too. So version 1 would handle like a Shopify store, and it will post to the blog automatically for you. And the point is to try and get traffic from like Google and other search engines, as well as AI, like ChatGPT. When somebody's typing something in now, answers are going to come up in there, so you can see them. I just added. I'm putting the finishing touches on a Sites edition, which means basically if you're on Etsy or Amazon or anywhere and you don't have a website, well, you can still have a blog. And on that blog, you can be posting articles for your niche to attract them from the search engines and then send them through to your products on Etsy. The other benefit, or Amazon, the other benefit is there's 2 spots within every blog post, one for a banner that you can update at any time, and it will update all the way through every single blog post you have on there. The other one is you can use email call to actions, meaning, you know, want 10% off this, our best seller, click here. They join the list. Now they're on your email list. So for Etsy and Amazon sellers, even for Shopify, if you didn't want to put it on your Shopify blog, it's a great way to be blogging and getting all that organic traffic, the free traffic. And over time, that compounds dramatically. So if you're a seller and you don't really want to do, you know, like paid ads, then this is a good way to still do it. So there's a lot of tools, and there's more coming. They're in the works is a Shopify store builder, niche verifier. I got plans for a couple other ones too, but I wanted to get the dashboard up and running first. So when you log in, that's the first place you see, and it's going to ask you to go here to your settings and just set your display name, your subtitle, and then you can upload an avatar, pick your time zone, and tell us if you want email notifications or not. You need that on if you're a member and you want to do my plan, because we rely a lot on email once a week, which is not even in here. But so every week you get a summary from the platform from us, basically saying like what you did, where you're at, what you need to do next, that kind of thing, just to keep you motivated and let you know that somebody's watching you, so you're accountable to us on the platform. I think it's basically everything that I've always wanted in a platform, but could never get because I couldn't hook up like the tools. I couldn't verify those on other platforms, or the community. Some of the other platforms I wasn't too crazy about, so I decided to just code my own. So everything you're looking at here has been coded 100% by me. And I'll give you an example of the help desk here. So when you're asking a question in the help desk, it is me and AI me that you get, but I can see all in here, and then I can see any new ones. Then I can see ones that are waiting on me. And then I can see help desk tickets that are waiting on the member to respond, and then closed tickets as well. So this is how I can keep track of everything that you're asking. And when I'm not going to click on the thread, but when I click on it, it shows everything that's happening inside there, the questions that are being asked. So from an organization point of view, I can keep track very easily of all that stuff. You guys won't have the admin menu. Yours will look like kind of like this, more so. And you'll only have yours in here. You won't have anybody else's. So overall, it's just kind of like a membership site plus a lot. You get tools, you get the planning, you get the journal, you get everything else in here, especially the private help desk, which is huge. So live training still exists. Back in the old version of Print on Demand Coach, it was a community and live training, and that was it. And and then you get replays too. So I added in tools, I added in the private help desk, I added in the journal, I added in the plan, and the video library as well. So you can go here. There are 777 videos on basically all my YouTube videos are pulled into here, and you can search them. So if you're looking for like, so maybe you're an Etsy seller and you're like, does he have any videos on Etsy fees? Yes, I do. So I do. There's like 4 of them. So there's all Etsy fees explained. What does it cost to sell? Etsy fees are too low, and the dates. And then this one, how to sell Etsy print on demand. So within that video, there will be talk about the fees as well. So, and you can search for any topic you want, and that is available to you as well. So it's a huge library of videos and training that you get there. But that searchable library doesn't include the boot camps and the courses and the replays that are for like paid members basically, but you can search through everything else. So I think overall it's just like a massive undertaking to get this out to you, and I want to do a quick walkthrough because my goal is to get you in here and get you making money with print on demand. Right now my favorite thing is Shopify and setting up like a gift store and then using Facebook ads and my free traffic blogger to get traffic to it consistently. So if you are interested in that, cool, come on in. If you're an Etsy seller, we can still help you out too. If you're an Amazon seller, we can help you out as well. So it doesn't really matter which platform you're on. We've designed the whole thing, the whole system to help all print on demand sellers. So come on in, try it out, and we'll see you on the inside.